how to add a domain in Vercel, a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to sign into your Vercel account. Once you have signed in, then make sure you select the correct project which you want to add a domain to. You can import your projects or deploy these tools in order to create or set up a project. Once you have selected your project, you will click on Add New, and here you want to select Domain from the drop-down menu. Now, it is going to show you this. You can either purchase a domain or you can add an existing domain. We're going to click on Add Existing Domain. Type your existing domain name in this field, continue. If you have not previously selected your project, like I said, you can again select it from this screen. Afterwards, you just click on Add a Domain, and that is how you add a domain in Vercel. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.